What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. Thank you for joining me. Tonight we are going to go over this Hercules. I went to the Harbor Freight and bought it. Impact driver, 1/4-inch brushless compact impact driver kit. Something different about this is years ago, a couple years ago, I went and picked up this screwdriver. It's got the clutch, 2 speeds, it's brushed. So for this 2 amp hour battery plus a charger, I think I was over $100. I put this into competition with a Hilti one, a DeWalt, a Milwaukee, and I forget if there's any other ones. There's live ones, battles I have. I did a few weeks of them. I'll link the playlist up in the channel somehow. Anyways, I love this tool and I wanted to get it again. And I went to Harbor Freight and same thing. And I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to spend another $100 because this is really the only tool I want. And it's not a $100 tool, but this is $40. The battery's $29 plus the charger's another $30 or $40. I forget how much. But then I saw this, $97. And one thing I'll say about Harbor Freight is I don't go in there often. You guys know that. But you can at least go in there and put your hands on the tools and feel them. All right. This is comes with a 2 amp hour battery. Comes with a charger that does both their 20 volt and 12 volt for the Hercules. And I was like, well, I'll buy this. And then, later down the line there, I bought this. We're going to run this weekend against the Rigid to see how it does, the undefeated Rigid. It's got 4 modes, 1, 2, 3 in auto, so self-tapping type, bolt removal. They do a great job with the packaging. I can look past all this stuff, legendary performance, 20% more impact. All this stuff means nothing. I look at the tool first on the shelf. If I like this, then I'll pick up the box and buy it. That being said, absolutely, it's a nice presentation. It says 22 inch-pounds of torque, handles a wide range of fastening applications, brushless. It's 4 3/4 inch long, ergonomic grip. Handle does feel good, still a little thin at the bottom. Ultra bright LED lights, they do have that right. That's my favorite style of lights right there. All metal gear construction. One-handed collet bit change, so we'll see how that does here. In and doesn't pop it out, but I gotta knock it for that. Okay. 5-year warranty, 3-year on the battery and charger. That's a pretty good deal. I did not buy the extended warranty. The battery chargers are UL listed, which is nice. And looking at the bottom of this, I don't know if I'm staring at a big heat sink or what, but battery footprint's nice. Has the battery indicator light, comes with a belt clip if you like to run with those. It is very compact in size. The grip is not bad at all. Like I said, though, again, that bottom's just a little thinner than I usually like, but up top on the business end, it's good to go. Selector switch doesn't feel short or anything, goes back and forth perfectly. Some of these ones I've tested recently just don't have that feel. It's like they're like just a tad bit too short to make it convenient. So let's get past the box here. And so we're going to run this in the tool test. I just wanted to give a quick rundown. It seems like it has a bunch of power. Nice variable speed trigger. And I mean, it's well constructed. I'm impressed. Again, I've yet to personally see anything. The only thing I might see on a job site or something is like a big Bauer SDS hammer drill or one of their jackhammers or something. Still have yet to see people running Hercules. Interesting enough, the person that replaced me at my old job, I don't know how long he lasted, but he had a Work Pro 12-volt drill that looked like it'd been through hell. So, you know, people can make things work. But I think they stepped up their game. The fact that this kit comes with a charger, I think, is a little bit more than a game changer. I don't remember this being a thing 2 or 3 years ago. I remember it was all a la carte kind of thing. But yeah, I'm actually excited to use it and see how it holds up next to the rigid. I have seen some videos on YouTube that show it competing very well and blowing some competition out of the water. Um, you know, it has the right amount of stuff and features. I wish this were a quick release also. The front LEDs, nice and bright. This front rubber part, though, it kind of reminds me of like a cheap tool off of Amazon. The LED lights, though, you can tell that they actually put some money into those as opposed to the cheaper brands because they aren't that bright. But that's a little rundown of it. We're going to do it live. I just wanted to make something, show you guys. $97 is like $101 out the door with tax. So not a bad deal on an impact. So let's see what it does. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one later.